Model: Land Rover Discovery Sport Diesel SW 2.0 TD4, 180, House, 5dr Auto Bargain Body, Black 4x4 Mileage, 29,751 MOT, 14 January 2024 Engine, 1999 cc TD4 180 EU6A Transmission, Automatic 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: runs perfect, needs all 4 injectors replacing. Still runs fine. Rest of the engine has been checked, is 100% fine. Compression in the cylinder is good. Bottom of the engine is completely fine. Automatic gearbox is all good. Condition summary: body is in top condition inside and out. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after.